Pam. Welcome to another product test video. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you want to stick around, just go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the bell next to it so you know every time I'm uploading a new video. So let's get started. And the product I'm going to test in this video is this Baggy opener, and I found it on Amazon. Basically what it does is it holds up your storage bags when you're trying to pour the leftovers of a meal into it. Now I don't know about you, but when I cook a meal I usually double batch it so that I can store a second meal. It kind of saves me time in the future. One of the biggest problems is when I go to put it in the storage bag or the freezer bag, I go to tip a big pan like this and I need two hands to hold the pan, and that leaves me calling for someone in the house to come help hold the bag so I can pour the rest of the spaghetti sauce in it. So this product is supposed to hold the bag for me, keep my hands free, so that I can put both of them on the heavy pan and pour in my leftovers. So let's give it a try. Okay, so it says that this base is a non-slip. So let me see. Yeah, it seems to grip pretty nicely. And then you're supposed to put the bag in between and clip this. It has little clips now. Now before I pour this, these are supposed to be adjustable for the bag, because if you look at it, the bag's all crinkled around here. These are supposed to be able to be adjusted. There we go. I like that. Okay, now here comes the test. Now I did take some of the spaghetti sauce out because realistically I made a double batch. So I took out our portion that we're gonna have tonight, and this is gonna be the stuff we're storing. So let's put it to the test. Yeah. Oops. Not only did the little sides here pull out, the whole thing tipped over. Let's try that again. I made a mess. Okay, here we go again. Let's try it again and make sure it. Okay, I'm gonna pull this away a little bit and see if the bag is already starting to fall out again. These clips do not hold this bag tightly up here. And as you can see, it made a pretty bad mess all over my counter. Made a mess out of me. I'm gonna go clean up and then we'll wrap this up for you. Okay, took a little bit to get cleaned up. I'm still covered in tomato sauce all over. So here's the thing. With this product, it says it doesn't slip. The bottom doesn't slip here. It says it's adjustable for small storage bags and large storage bags. Yes, it does that. As far as these little clips hanging on to the bag when you're pouring something in it, I give it a huge flop on that. These clips did not hold. Not once, but twice it broke off, and I really pushed it up in there and made sure it was as tight as I could get it. So it has potential. I think they need to work on these clips a little more somehow to make it so it doesn't flop out like that. It was a huge mess. There was tomato sauce all over my floor, all over my clothes. So I'm gonna have to give the Baggy opener thumbs down. It's a great idea. They just need to work on these clips because it was a mess. Okay? If you have one of these Baggy openers in your home and it seems to work a lot better than it did for me, please let me know. I'd like to hear if I maybe did something wrong in there. I thought I followed the instructions the way it said to put the little Ziploc top in here, and it was supposed to hold it. So if I did it wrong, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. I really, really, really wanted this to work because that is a huge hassle, always storing the extras I make in a meal in freezer bags, and I thought this was going to be a game changer in my life, so I'm really disappointed. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button below. And if you have a product that you've seen online that you're wondering if it's as good as it claims, leave the link in the comments below and maybe I'll check it out for you and give it a try. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell next to it so that you know when I'm uploading new videos like this. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. Thanks for stopping by. Why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.